The crypto market feels strange right now. Bitcoin isn't making massive new highs every week. Altcoins aren't exploding across the board. And many investors are wondering if the next big opportunity has already passed. But here's the thing. The biggest fortunes in crypto are usually made before the crowd notices what's happening. While most people are watching prices, smart money is watching trends. And right now, there are several trends quietly gaining momentum that could shape the next bull run. Today, we're breaking down 7 crypto trends that every investor should be paying attention to. Because by the time these trends become front-page news, the biggest gains may already be gone. Let's get into it. Tokenization of real-world assets. Imagine being able to buy a fraction of a skyscraper, or a share of a government bond, or even a piece of a luxury hotel, not through a bank, not through a broker, but directly on a blockchain. That's exactly what real-world asset tokenization aims to do. Traditional financial assets worth trillions of dollars are beginning to move on-chain, and many analysts believe this could become one of the largest blockchain industries ever created. If tokenization succeeds, it won't just change crypto, it could change finance itself. Institutional money is arriving. For years, crypto was considered a playground for retail investors. Now, the biggest financial firms in the world are getting involved. Why does this matter? Because institutions don't think in thousands of dollars, they think in billions. When institutional capital enters a market, it can fundamentally change liquidity, adoption, and long-term growth. And unlike retail traders chasing the latest meme coin, institutions often play a much longer game. The question isn't whether institutions are interested anymore. The question is how much capital eventually finds its way into the market. The AI and crypto collision. Artificial intelligence has become the hottest topic in technology. But what happens when AI meets blockchain? That's where things get interesting. New projects are emerging that combine decentralized infrastructure with artificial intelligence. Some aim to provide computing power. Others focus on AI data marketplaces, and some are building entirely new ecosystems where AI agents can interact autonomously. Nobody knows exactly how big this sector can become, but whenever two transformative technologies collide, investors tend to pay attention very closely. Layer 2 networks. Let's be honest, nobody likes paying high transaction fees, and nobody enjoys waiting for slow confirmations. That's why Layer 2 networks have become one of crypto's most important innovations. These systems are designed to process transactions faster and cheaper while still benefiting from the security of major blockchains. As adoption grows, developers and users continue migrating toward these ecosystems. In many ways, Layer 2s are becoming the highways that future blockchain applications will run on. Stablecoins are quietly taking over. Stablecoins rarely create hype. They don't promise 100 times gains. They don't trend on social media every day. But they may be one of crypto's most important products. Millions of people use stablecoins to transfer value, protect savings, and access digital finance. In regions facing inflation or banking limitations, stablecoins are becoming increasingly useful. While everyone is looking for the next moonshot, stablecoins are quietly building real-world adoption, and that could be even more important. Meme coins refuse to die. Every cycle, people say meme coins are finished. And every cycle, they come back, stronger than expected. Love them or hate them, meme coins have proven one thing: community can be incredibly powerful. Many investors underestimate how much attention, marketing, and social momentum can drive a market. Of course, these projects remain extremely risky, but ignoring them completely may be just as dangerous as chasing them blindly. DeFi is staging a comeback. Remember DeFi? Decentralized finance was once the hottest narrative in crypto. Then came market crashes, hacks, and declining interest. But now signs of recovery are beginning to appear. New protocols are focusing on security, efficiency, and practical use cases. Developers haven't stopped building. Users haven't completely disappeared, and capital is gradually returning. If the next bull market gains momentum, DeFi could once again become one of crypto's biggest stories. So there you have it, 7 crypto trends that could shape the future of the industry: real-world asset tokenization, institutional adoption, AI and blockchain, Layer 2 ecosystems, stablecoin growth, meme coin culture, and the return of DeFi. Some of these trends may fail, others may completely transform the market. But one thing is certain: the next generation of winners is likely being built right now, while most investors are distracted by short-term price movements. Which trend do you think has the most potential? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next crypto update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.